Good morning children. Welcome to English class. In today's session we are going to discuss the second lesson. The name of the lesson is Thank You Friend. What is the name of the lesson children? Thank you friend. I'll read out the text. Listen carefully children. Once in a forest lived a crow, a tortoise and a mouse. They were good friends. One day, as they sat talking, they saw a deer running towards them. The deer was being chased by a hunter. Here, this lesson is about the importance of friendship. Once upon a time, there was a forest, and in forest, three good friends are there. What are the three good friends, children? A crow, a tortoise, and a mouse. So usually they'll spend some time sitting together and talking to each other, and they'll have fun. One day, as they sat talking to each other, they saw a deer coming towards them. Why the deer is coming there? As the deer was chased by a hunter. The deer found the hunter chasing it, so the deer ran into the forest and finally it reached the three friends, that is crow, tortoise and mouse. Don't be afraid, said the tortoise. Hunters never come so far into the forest. So tortoise said to the deer that don't be afraid. Afraid means fear. Don't be frightened, my dear deer. Here it is so far. This place is so far. So hunters will never come to this place. Then the deer sat down and said, I am safe now. So the deer thought itself as it is now in a safe place, as the place is very far in the forest and hunters may not come. So the place is very safe. So it sat down with the three friends and said, I am safe now. Then, why don't you stay with us? Asked the tortoise. The tortoise asked deer that, why don't you stay with us? You can also stay here. No problem, we are here, so stay with us. The deer agreed and the four soon became good friends. So deer also agreed for that. Now it's a safe place for it, and it also found three friends in that place. So deer was very happy and it agreed to stay with the remaining three animals. Very soon all these four has become good friends. What are the four animals, children? Crow, tortoise, mouse and deer has become very good friends. Every day they met and spent time with each other. One morning the deer did not come. The crow said, I will look around for him, and flew away. Soon he saw the deer trapped in a net on the bank of a river. So every day all these four friends will meet in the place and they'll spend time with each other. One morning what happened? The three animals came there, that is the tortoise, crow and the mouse, but deer did not come. So they were worried of the deer. What happened to the deer? Why did not it come to the meeting point? So the crow said to the tortoise and mouse that I will look around for him, and then it flew away. As the crow will fly in the sky, no? So it said that I will fly and see that where the deer is, and flew away. Soon what happened? After going to certain place, crow found the deer trapped in a net on the bank of a river. You can see in the picture that the crow is seeing the deer and the deer is trapped in the net. He went back and told his friends what he had seen. We must do something quickly, otherwise the hunter will come and take him away, said the tortoise. The crow flew in the sky and saw that the deer was trapped in the net, and it went back to the remaining two friends, that is the crow and the tortoise, and told to them that the deer was trapped in the net. Then the tortoise said to the mouse and the crow that we should do something, or else the hunter will take away the deer. The mouse said, "If the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes." Now you know mouse, no? It can cut anything with its teeth. So the mouse said that if crow takes me to the place where the deer was trapped, I will cut the ropes. If I cut the ropes, then the deer can escape from the net. Then what happened, we'll see. So the crow picked the mouse up in his beak and flew to the river bank. The mouse cut the ropes. The deer was free. The tortoise too came crawling. Here, soon all they have liked this idea, and crow picked the mouse in its beak and flew to the river bank where the deer was there. And then the crow dropped down the mouse. The mouse has cut the ropes of the net. Now deer was free. Deer came out of the net and deer was free. Meanwhile, tortoise, how it will come, children? Very slowly it will come, no? So slowly the tortoise came crawling, and all the four friends meet in their place. As the four friends were about to leave, they saw the hunter coming. The crow flew up to a tree. Now here, mouse has cut the ropes and deer was free. Crow brought the mouse. Meanwhile, the tortoise came there. Now all the four friends are there in the place where the hunter had kept the net, where the hunter had trapped the deer. As these four friends met there, they saw that the hunter was coming to that place. When they saw the hunter was coming to the place, the crow flew up to a tree. The mouse ran and hid himself in the grass. The mouse, what happened? It can run very fastly. So it ran and hid into the grass. The deer also ran away. Here the crow flew and sat on the tree. The mouse ran and it hid in the grass, and the deer also ran away from that place. Now we know that the tortoise will walk very slowly, so it can't escape from the hunter. However, the tortoise was slow and got caught. The hunter began walking along the river bank with the tortoise. Now the crow has flew up and sat on the tree. Mouse ran and hid in the grass, and deer also ran away from that place. But tortoise, it can't escape, no? So it will walk very slowly, so it did not escape from the hunter. So the hunter caught the tortoise. The hunter began walking along the river bank with the tortoise. You can see in the picture that the hunter is taking the tortoise in the net. The deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. He told the crow and the mouse about it. He lay down in the path of the hunter as though he were dead. The crow sat on the deer's head and gently pecked at it. As the three friends were very much worried about tortoise, the hunter was taking the tortoise, so they want to save it. And meanwhile, the deer thought of a plan and told to the remaining two friends, that is the crow and the mouse. The deer clearly informed the plan to crow and mouse. The deer lay down in the way where the hunter is going as if it were dead. And the crow sat on the deer's body, and it is on the deer's head, and it is gently pecked at it. Pecked means biting. So the crow sat on the deer's head and biting the head of the deer. The hunter may think that the deer was dead and crow was eating the deer. The hunter was happy to see the deer. He dropped his net and walked towards the deer. The mouse ran and gnawed at the ropes of the net. When the hunter came close, the crow flew away and the dead deer jumped up and ran fast. Now when the hunter saw the deer body there, he thought that the deer was dead, and he was very happy to see the deer. So he dropped down his net and walked towards the deer. In the net, what is there, children? Tortoise was there in the net. So he dropped down the net and he ran towards the deer. When the hunter ran towards the deer, the mouse ran and gnawed at the ropes of the net. That is, the mouse ran towards the net and it bit the ropes of the net. And now, when the hunter came close, the crow, it flew away from there, and the dead deer jumped up and ran fast. As the hunter moved away from dropping the tortoise there and moved towards the deer and crow, the mouse came very fast and it bit the ropes of the net. Now the tortoise is free and mouse is also free. As the hunter walked towards the deer, the crow ran away and the deer jumped and it also ran very fast. The tortoise was free. He crawled to the river and slipped into the water. The four friends were safe. Now here, as the hunter is near the deer. Deer ran away, crow ran away, and he returned to take the net. Meanwhile, the mouse has bite the ropes of the net. So now the tortoise is also free and it slowly crawled into the river and it slipped into the water. Now the tortoise is in the water, crow is flying in the sky, and deer ran away into the forest. Mouse also ran into the grass and hid there. Now four friends escaped from the hunter. They are free now, and all the four friends are safe. The moral of the story is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Isn't it a beautiful lesson, children? Hope you all enjoyed the story. Now we'll pick out the hard words from the lesson. First bit, hard words. First one, hunter. H-U-N-T-E-R. Hunter. Second, afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid. Third, quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. Fourth one, picked. P-I-C-K-E-D. Picked. Fifth one, beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. Number 6, crawling. C-R-A-W-L-I-N-G. Crawling. Seventh, thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. 8, gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y. Gently. Number 9, pegged. P-E-C-K-E-D. Pegged. 10th one, gnawed. G-N-A-W-E-D. Gnawed. Number 11, crawled. C-R-A-W-L-E-D. Crawled. Last one, 12th one, slipped. S-L-I-P-P-E-D. Slipped. Shall we read out the hard words once again, children? Come on, you also say with me. First, hunter. Second, afraid. Third, quickly. Fourth, picked. Fifth, beak. Sixth, crawling. Seventh, thought. Eighth, gently. Ninth, pecked. 10th, gnawed. 11th, crawled. And the last 12th one, slipped. Second bit, meanings. First one, afraid. The meaning of afraid is feeling fear or frightened. Feeling fear or frightened. Second one, beak. The hard, pointed part of a bird's mouth. What is the meaning of beak? The hard, pointed part of a bird's mouth. Third one, crawling. The meaning of crawling is move forward on the hands and the knees. Move forward on the hands and knees. Fourth one, gnawed. The meaning of gnawed is bite. The meaning of gnawed is bite. Fifth one, pecked. The meaning of pecked is Bite something with its beak. Bite something with its beak. Shall we read out the meanings once again, children? Come on, read out. First one, affright, feeling fear, frightened. Second, beak, the hard pointed part of a bird's mouth. Third, crawling, move forward on the hands and knees. Fourth, gnawed, bite. Fifth, pecked, bite something with its beak. Hope you all enjoyed today's class. Today your homework is read the lesson, learn and write hard words and meanings in your notebook. Read the lesson, learn and write hard words and meanings in your notebook. Okay, children? Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next session. Bye.